Hello viewers, welcome to another SMC tutorial video. In today's video, we'll be guiding you on how to make swaps on ShapeShift Crypto App. But before we dive in, if you find our tutorial videos helpful, please do well to support our channel by buying our educational token Wikicat. Wikicat is built on the Binance Smart Chain and the contract address will be in the description below. Now let's get started. What is ShapeShift? ShapeShift is a non-custodial community-owned cryptocurrency platform that serves as a wallet and a decentralized exchange aggregator. The mobile app allows users to trade cryptocurrencies across multiple blockchains without requiring KYC, sign-ups, or surrendering control of your private key. It supports swaps for assets like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, USDC, Dogecoin, and thousands more across multiple chains. The app is available on Play Store and App Store. Now, how can you trade on ShapeShift? First thing is to download the app from Play Store or App Store, then launch your app. Now you can either choose to create a new wallet or import an existing wallet. Let's create a new wallet. Tap on create a new wallet. Enter any name as your wallet name. Then tap on continue. Now you need to copy your passphrase or write it down somewhere to keep it safe. Just tap on I understand to see your passphrase. Now after you've copied and saved your passphrase somewhere, just tap on view wallets. Next, or you can just choose to skip. So we have successfully created a new wallet. Now the next step is to fund your wallet. Tap on home at the bottom. You can choose to either buy from the app or receive from an existing wallet. If you want to buy from the app, just tap on buy. Input your details, then you buy. But we'll be depositing from an existing wallet, so I'll just tap on receive. You can see there are several assets you can receive on the app. You can use the search bar to search for the name of the asset you want to receive. Let's deposit USDC. Tap on it to select your chain, Arbitrum. Now copy this wallet address, then send the token to the address. After sending the token, just go back. Then refresh your wallet to confirm the deposit. So we have successfully deposited. Now let's trade. Tap on the trade tab at the bottom. Here is the main swap screen. Market and limit are other types. Market order lets you buy tokens instantly at the current price, while limit order lets you set your own price, and the trade only executes when it gets to your set price. Buy tab lets you turn real money into crypto. You pay with your card, Apple Pay, Google Pay, or bank transfer, and you instantly receive crypto straight into your ShapeShift wallet. While the sell tab turns crypto into real money, you send crypto from your wallet and get USDT, Euro, and so on wired straight to your bank account. The buy and sell features are currently not available in Nigeria. Now let's make use of the swap tab within market order. Tap on the drop down icon to select the token you want to swap. USDC, Arbitrum. Now select the token you want to receive. Let's search for Wikicat. Tap on it. Input the amount. Let's buy $20. Just tap on preview trade. Confirm and trade. Approve. Tap on sign and swap. So the swap is being processed. Just tap on home to confirm. Now, if you don't find your tokens immediately in your wallet after swapping, there's no need to panic. Just wait a little bit for it to appear. Tap on history at the bottom to view the trade history. So we have successfully swapped the USDC to Wikicat. You can swap other tokens with this exact same process. The process is the same with different tokens. Just select the tokens you want to swap, confirm, approve, and you are done. So that's how to swap on ShapeShift Crypto App. I hope this video has been very helpful. If you have any questions, kindly drop it in the comment section, as the team member will be available to answer your questions. Like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more educative content. Thanks for watching and see you in our next video.